right, guys. Sometimes when you add and subtract fractions, you will be required to simplify the fraction, putting the fraction into simplest form. So this fraction, here's an example of how to do that. This fraction right here is 8/12. 8/12 is not in simplest form because it has other factors in common other than 1. Okay, so we have to find the greatest common factor of 8 and 12. Okay, so my factors of 8, remember we start with 1 because we know that 1 is a factor of every number because 1 times itself gives us that number. So my factors of 8 are 1, 2, yes, because 2 times something gives me 8, 3, no, 4, yes, because 4 times 2, and then my last one is 8. Remember, when we get halfway, we know that the last one is itself. Then my factors of 12 are 1. Always start with 1 when we do factors. 2, 3, yes. 4, yes. 5, 5 times nothing gives me 12. 6, and I am halfway, so my last one is 12. So my factors of 12, 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So those are my factors of 12. So when I'm simplifying, I want to pick the greatest common factor, the biggest factor that they have in common in order to simplify this fraction. So they have 1 in common, obviously, 2 and 4. So the biggest of those is 4. In order to simplify this and reduce it into lowest terms, I divide the numerator and the denominator both by the greatest common factor of 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 8/12 in simplest form is equal to 2/3.